Hey guys, Len here. Yesterday I found out about a major security flaw with OS 10 in the latest release. We're talking about OS 10 High Sierra, okay? Version 10.13.1, okay? This is the latest version of the OS 10 that's out. And if your machine is operating this, you have a security flaw that's incredibly dangerous. In fact, it's so dangerous, I'm making this video. Okay, I don't want anybody to get abused by this, because essentially what this security flaw is dealing with the root account. Now, I know most people don't even know what a root account is, but basically it's what the admins use to access absolutely everything in your computer. Root gives you God access to your computer, for lack of a better way of saying it. So the last thing you want to do is give perfect strangers, hackers, people out there access to your computer, the ability to log in and so forth, and do what they want to your machine. Okay? So the first thing here is I have an article up here. Hopefully you guys have already seen these articles. They're flying up on the internet as we speak. Okay, but basically this is a major security flaw. Okay, and so I wanted to help you guys because Apple acknowledged the problem, but they don't have a fix, and they said, well, we'll work on it, and in the meantime they expect the users to do some kind of geeky stuff to secure their systems in the meantime, and that's why I'm making this video. Okay, so the Apple website here has a support. They acknowledge the problem with the root, and they give you steps here that you can follow on how to actually temporarily patch your system so that you're not vulnerable. But first things first, let me show you what the vulnerability is. Okay, so we go to System Preferences, and here we'll go into User Groups and Access. Okay, and by default, you'll have admin and your account and maybe a guest user or so forth, and if you have this enabled, which is mine is enabled right here, guests can come into the computer, which we don't want to have. So you'll notice here in the lower left, these are locked, okay, with a padlock. So if I try to click on those, it's going to ask me, hey, you're going into a sensitive thing, give me your password. And that's perfectly normal and fine. So normally you would type in your password and the system would gain you access. So let's try to do it without a password. And I hit unlock. The system's looking up, it says, nope, that ain't gonna work. I can't gain access. But now watch what the system does in peculiar behavior when we insist on using root without a password. Look at that. We've unlocked the system without a password. So root can be given remotely, locally, any combination of the above, and they have complete control to everything on your system, and they can do anything they wish. Okay? So that's why it's so dangerous. Okay, so how do we fix this? Okay, first thing we do is we unlock. Okay, now you do not have to use the root like I did. Just go ahead and hit the padlock and go ahead and use your password as you normally would, and I'll type in mine. Okay, and I'll unlock it properly that way. Okay, so now the guest user, that is the first thing we're going to do. We're going to click on the guest user and we are going to turn that off. Okay, so confirm everything here. The guest user is off. Okay, we don't want anybody to have any access other than the accounts that we have on our machine. Okay, so that's step one. Okay, the next step is we got to go to login options. And login options, we have right here, network account server. We need to hit join. And here we're going to open up directory utilities. Okay, from here you're going to notice up here on the menu bar up top, okay, we have a different menu here, okay? So we want you to realize that these programs go together, okay? The menu up here and this here. But you'll notice we're locked. And again, that's for purpose, so we need to unlock it. So type in your system password. And now we are unlocked. You can see the fact the padlock is in an unlocked position. Now when we go up to the menu, we can see change root password. Okay? Again, change root password. And then you're going to go in and you're going to assign a password to the root user. Okay? So I'm going to do that right now. And then you have to type it again to verify. And hit OK. Now, lock it. And your system is now secure. Lock everything back up. And you are now secure until Apple finds a fix for the root system password. Okay? All right, so again, hopefully this helped you. Again, refer here. I have the website up here on the screen directly from Apple. They've acknowledged the problem, and Apple has given you the steps which I've just shown you how to do the root password and lock up your machine so you're safe. Okay? Hopefully you found it useful. You guys take care.